Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2011 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide Ultra with 99,364 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with tall handlebars and comes equipped with navigation, ABS, cruise control, heated seats, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. The iconic Road Glide is taken a factory custom direction, equipped with a 110 cubic inch V-twin motor and finish off in a slate gray paint set. Putting 115 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission, the CVO Road Glide was built for the long haul, offering spacious storage, wind protection, and rider comfort to back the upgraded power. It weighs in at 905 pounds and has a 29.3 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.